Mastering Image Data Types in Python, a visual guide. Welcome to our Python programming series. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of image data types. Let's make your coding journey a bit more vibrant. Images come in various formats like JPEG, PNG, and more. Each has its unique features. Let's explore how Python handles these diverse data types. We'll start by using the PIL library. Let's read and display an image. With just a few lines, you can open and view any image on your screen. Now, let's manipulate our image. We can resize, rotate, and even change formats. See how easy it is to transform images? Each image is a collection of pixels. In Python, we can directly manipulate these pixels. Here, we've altered the red channel of each pixel, giving the image a unique look. After all the fun modifications, let's save our creation. And just like that, you've saved your image in a new format. From opening images to manipulating pixels, Python makes image processing simple and fun. Keep experimenting and exploring the vast possibilities. Like what you learned. Subscribe for more Python adventures and don't forget to hit that like button. Happy coding!